Hi everyone, today I got this new parcel. I bought some Mack's gel polishes, so I'm gonna start with this number 699. This is some like mauve color, light brown / gray, very unique, and I really like this type of colors because they kind of like suit everything. They're very universal. This is number 775. I wanted to buy a grey one, but this grey is specifically with some dots inside, which I really enjoy. 607, this is a very dark brown, like chocolatey brown. I like this. I'm very strong on colors. Oh, and I bought this rubber base because I ran out of rubber base, and I would say it's really important. So I'm gonna do some swatches today. I'm gonna start with 607. As I said, this brown, chocolatey brown. I really like colors that are either very classic and universal, like let's say French manicure, or like beige, nude, like this type of colors, or very strong statement colors. I don't like just normal colors. I like the colors to be either too much or very little kind of thing. So I've got two personalities in me. So as you can see, this is very good coverage for one layer. I'm very impressed. I've already applied a base on this. Now, once you've done the first layer, I'm gonna do a second layer just to show you like the full coverage of the product. But I'm really impressed. They are turning. I've already had Mack's before. I bought like a rubber base from them, and I got this like milky white that I had, and I didn't have any complaints from them. They've been really good brand. But today, this time around, I wanted to just buy their like couple colors, just to try them out, and I'm very impressed. Look at this brown, beautiful. So next one I'm going to try is the 775. The swatches for this one. I want to say about this grey that it's got little dots inside, like they're not like glitter, they're more like they're not sparkly, but the effect is very beautiful. I thoroughly enjoy it. I wanted to buy a grey a gel polish for a long time, and I was on their website and I was looking at it and I was thinking, you know what, they have really a lot of greys, but I'm just gonna go for the grey that I think is the most unique. And then I found this one and I was thinking, I've never had a color like this, and I've seen this all over the internet, so I decided to give it a go, and I'm very pleased with what I got. As you can see, 2 layers is enough. With my Blue Sky brand, I usually have to put 3 layers to make them enough opaque and pigmented, but with this one only 2 layers is enough. I'm very you get good money for what you. Look at that. It looks like you've sprinkled some paint on top of it. Exactly, that's what it reminds me of. Like you got the brush and you spread it on top. Beautiful. And now the last one on our purchase this time around is this mauve color. I would say I have a lip color in this, a lipstick in this color, and I would rock them together. I would love that. That would be beautiful. Look at this. You can do so much stuff with this color. This color can go as a base. on some more, let's say, glittery side, on some stickers, on some foil, on anything really. Like, that's the best part about these colors, is that this is so versatile. It's not dark, it's not too dark, it's not too light, it's just right there. It's nude, it would suit pretty much anything, like a casual nail, pointy, almond, edgy, round, square, anything. Would literally suit any nail shape. Short, long as well. So that's why I would say this is one that you must have in your collection, like something similar to this, of course. So as you can see, this is the final, how it goes after, and I'm impressed. Look at these colors, they are beautiful. I would highly recommend. So please subscribe, like if you liked it, and see you next time. Bye guys.